Good morning, Vista Ridge. I'm Catalina Case.
And I'm Ryden Evangelista.
And welcome back to Wolfwire News.
Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and lunch is mozzarella pinwheel with marinara sauce.
Mrs. James' 7th period class is doing a food drive for the homeless. If you would like to donate, the boxes will be in the office, the front of the school, Mrs. Riddle's room, Mr. Blem's room, and Dr. Jerk's room. The drive will be May 5th through May 9th, and all food must be non-perishable.
Seniors, make time to take your picture at the Where Am I Going board. This is a fun tradition for seniors to come take pictures with your friends and tell us where your journey will take you after high school. The board will be up in the Commons on Thursday and Friday. Please see Mrs. Corral if you have any questions.
Now on to Abby Ferlin for some teacher appreciation.
Happy Teacher Appreciation Week! In honor of our lovely faculty members, we asked a few students to share their appreciation.
I want to put some love on Mrs. Holland because we just won runner-up for state for show choir, and I feel like she does so much work that just doesn't get appreciated or acknowledged, and she's getting a lot of new responsibilities next year, so she's doing amazing. I'd like to appreciate Miss Logston.
I'd like to appreciate Miss Fredericks.
I would like to appreciate Mr. Freeze.
I want to say Miss Ansley.
I would like to appreciate Mr. Pearsall.
Mr. King.
I'd like to appreciate Miss Ansley.
We started by asking these students what message they'd like to share with a teacher.
You're amazing and iconic. Thank you for all the help that you've done for me. Just thank you for being a good teacher.
Keep up the good work. She always brings like a fun and positive energy. She always makes sure to talk to us too.
Cool guy. He's a really cool guy. I like his classes. They're very fun and laid back. And he also has a cool name.
I'd say Miss Ansley, thank you for actually taking the time to teach me math and for all your hard work.
Thank you for being such a supportive teacher and always helping us with work and assignments.
You're my goat. My goat.
Thank you for always being there and being really helpful. You helped me learn a lot.
Additionally, we learned about their favorite memories with these teachers.
Really anything from Stuco camp because she's the Stuco advisor right now, and it's so much fun getting to see her like in the wilderness. Favorite memory would just be game days where she'd play Jenga with me.
Pretty much anytime I walk into the classroom, I'm always met with like a joke or something. Like today, I got asked a question, and we talked about it for like a good while. 100 men versus 1 gorilla.
I think just all of our discussions we have in the movie class, it's very fun. He makes them very entertaining. It doesn't feel like a requirement to be there.
It's all the time is when she actually takes the time to sit with me and help me through math and things that I don't understand.
My favorite memory with Mr. Pearsall was playing this game in his class where we had like people who were the president. We had to get them into the room that was safe and everything, and it was just really fun.
Talking about snacks at Buc-ee's.
One time we threw tennis balls at Mr. Carroll. It was a very fun class that day.
Thank you to all the teachers who have helped us learn and grow over this school year.
That's all for today. From all of us at Wolfwire News, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.